Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this file, and it's a box without a lid. It's just an enclosed cube, and it's made up for 1/4 inch wood, and they need to change it to 1/8 inch wood. And if we take the parallel dimension tool and you see, well, it would have been a lot better if I would have stayed on the line. It's a 1/4 inch. So we need to reduce it to 1.25. Now, I'm going to delete half of them, because we only need to change one set and then we make duplicates. That'll make life a little easier. Now, a lot of people don't understand finger joints. It's not this measurement that matters. It's not, let's see, just see what that measurement is. So that's a 1/2 inch. That doesn't matter. When you're changing wood size, the only thing that matters is the height of this, or either on the female parts or on the male parts, because that's the wood that's going to stick out when you put them together. It could be 1/4 inch wood, it could be 1/8 inch wood, it could be 1/16 of an inch wood. The only thing you need to change is this depth, so the thing will work. Now, there's two trains of thought. You don't want to change the outer shape, but we can change the inner tabs. So if we select this and get our shape tool, so I'm going to set my nudge factor on 0.125. That's 1/8 of an inch. So if we zoom in here and grab this and then grab these nodes and use the up arrow key, grab these nodes, use the down arrow keys, use these, use the left arrow key, these, use the right arrow key. And now, and also I would take away, just not that it's going to change, but you don't need these nodes. Not a big deal. Anyway, now we're going to measure, and we get the parallel dimension tool, and we're going to go from there to there, and we have 0.125. Well, it's 0.12, but if we run it out, it's 0.125. That's the only thing you need to change. So I'm just going to do it real quick, and then we're going to show you how you can just do it. So I'm going to select up arrow key, down arrow key, right arrow key, left arrow key. Same thing here. But on this one, we're going to change the outside, because this is basically all males. We don't want to change ever the corner. This one, we didn't mess with the corner. I'm glad I continued, or I would have forgot that part. Down arrow key, up arrow key, left arrow key, right arrow key. Now they're done, and I guarantee they'll work. Now, I'm not going to talk about kerf, but I got plenty of videos on kerf. You want this thing pretty tight, and it looks like it's been configured, because this thing is a little bit bigger than the hole. So that's good. Whoever made this box put in that kerf, so this thing should fit good. Now, you need 6 sides, so all we're going to do is hit the plus key on the keyboard, and now they're all equal. So this is your front and your side, back and your side, and this is your bottom and your top. So this is going to fit in like right there. This one will fit on the other side, and then this will fit, well, we're going to turn it around, make it 90 degrees. It doesn't matter when you cut it what it looks like. And then I'm just going to hit the plus key on this. So there's your box, and then this will be your top or your bottom. Anyway, I hope that made a little bit of sense, and thank you for watching.